This is Stu from Ukulele Zen, and I'm going to demonstrate in this video a rhythm ring. So cool to have a little shaker in with your strumming. Let's get into this. Ukulele Zen is made possible by a fantastic community of patrons. Click the links down below if you want to join the community and receive bonus content and course discounts. Now, a rhythm ring is just a little device that you wear on your hand. It lets you make a little shaking sound every time you strum. It will teach you a lot about how to be a good rhythm player. Years ago, I was a professional shaker player. I know, it sounds ridiculous, but it's true. I was in a marching samba band, and my job was to hold down the groove. And if I dropped the beat for just 1 sec, 120 eyes would be looking at me like, where did you go, man? So being a good shaker player teaches you first how to just be steady with your rhythm, how to be economical with your technique, because you got to pace yourself if you're going to do this all night. And, I'm a big fan of learning how to be a better strummer by being a better drummer. One more I got to share with you. This one's super cool. This is from Africa. I believe this is a goat hoof, still with the fur on it. So there's more nuance that I'd love to share with you in future videos. The is so key to keeping it steady. I love my shakers. Now, when you're playing with a rhythm ring, and by the way, if you're interested in one, there is a link down below. Just strap it on your hand and start to just shake in the air. So if you listen closely now to the rhythm ring, you can hear there are soft sounds and loud sounds. 2, 3, 4, 1. And if you don't have a rhythm ring, you can create this just by scratching your strings, accenting on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3. That backbeat rhythm is what you find in blues, jazz, swing, rock and roll, and of course reggae music. So why don't we play a tune together, a simple 3-chord song, Bob Marley's One Love. C major, G major, and F major are all the chords we need to play it. Follow along with me. Thanks for joining. Please click the like button if you're digging this video. I appreciate you being here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Singing, let's get together and feel alright. So, having one of these rhythm rings is a wonderful way to get more percussive sounds into your ukulele. Other kinds of grooves, man, the possibilities just start to explode. If you're interested in a rhythm ring, check the link down below. I appreciate you being here. I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. And if you've watched all the way to the very, very end, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another video soon.